In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Calendar, a powerful tool that can help you organize your life more efficiently. Whether you're juggling work meetings, social events, or personal tasks, Google Calendar is a great way to keep everything in check. So let's dive in and explore how you can make the most of it. First, you'll want to start by navigating over to your Google Calendar. You can do this easily by typing calendar.google.com into your browser's address bar and hitting enter. You'll be directed to your calendar where you can view your schedule at a glance. The interface is straightforward and user-friendly, with options to view your calendar by day, week, or month, allowing you to choose the time frame that best fits your planning needs. Once you're on your preferred view, it's time to add an event. Find the day and time slot you wish to block out. Simply click on the slot you want to use and a pop-up window will appear, allowing you to create a new event. But sometimes that initial time might not be quite right, so if you need to make adjustments, you can easily change the start and end times to suit your schedule perfectly. Now let's make this event stand out. It's time to add in those crucial details. Begin by giving your event a title, something descriptive that will help you remember what it's about at a glance. Don't be shy about including additional information, such as location, notes, or even links that will be helpful when the event comes around. This information ensures you're fully prepared. When you've got all your details locked in, don't forget the final touch, saving your event. A quick click on the save button and just like that, your event is scheduled. The marvel of technology means it's now visible on your calendar and even accessible on your connected devices, ensuring you have access wherever you are. But what if you need to compartmentalize your life a bit by categorizing events differently or sharing with a group? That's where creating new calendars comes in. Over on the left, next to other calendars, you'll find an option to add other calendars. Click here to start setting up a new calendar. This feature is particularly handy for keeping work and personal events separate. Set up your new calendar by giving it the perfect name. Add in a description that fits, helping you and others, if you choose to share it, understand what events belong here. Once you've settled on a name and description that fit, click on Create Calendar. It's automatically added to your list, ready for you to start populating with events. And there you have it, a complete guide to setting up and getting started with Google Calendar. With these steps, you're well on your way to maintaining an organized, productive schedule, all within an accessible and easy to use interface.